Hello and welcome to Simplified Financing, your one-stop solution for all things finance simplified. We are here to break down complex financial concepts into easily digestible pieces. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge and tools to take control of your financial future. We cover a wide range of topics from personal finance and investment strategies to entrepreneurship and economic trends. And today we have something special for you. We're going to delve deep into the principles of success as outlined in the iconic book, Think and Grow Rich. So, sit back, relax, grab a notepad if you must, and let's dive into today's topic, Think and Grow Rich, a deep dive into success. Have you ever considered the difference between a wish, a hope, and a burning desire? Well, today, we are going to delve into that. A wish is a passive thought, something we'd like to happen, but it stays in the realm of fantasy. Hope, on the other hand, is a bit stronger. It's an expectation, a light at the end of the tunnel. But it's still not quite there. A burning desire, now that's a different beast altogether. It's a fire in your belly, an unquenchable thirst, a need that you are committed to fulfilling. It's so intense, so consuming that it compels you to act, to strive, to overcome. This is the starting point of all achievement. Now let's talk about the power of definiteness. The key to focusing your desires and energies is to have a definite major purpose. It's not enough to vaguely want something. You must know exactly what you want, why you want it, and how you plan to get it. Successful people have defined their desires with such clarity and specificity that it becomes a driving force in their lives. And finally, it's crucial to nurture and feed your desires. Keep them alive and at the forefront of your mind, especially when faced with challenges. Because it's not the strength of the obstacles in your path that determines your success, but the intensity of your desire to overcome them. Remember, a burning desire is not a mere wish or hope. It is a need that you are committed to fulfilling. What is faith to you? Is it blind belief, or a conviction based on understanding? Faith, in its essence, is a powerful force. It's not just about believing without reason, but rather it's a conviction born out of understanding and acceptance. It's the unwavering belief in one's abilities, a resilient trust in the journey, even when the destination seems unclear. But how do we cultivate such faith? How do we build an unshakable belief system? It starts with understanding ourselves, our strengths, and our potential. We need to acknowledge our capabilities and recognize our worth. This can be achieved through self-affirmations, visualization, and by exposing ourselves to positive influences. Self-affirmations are statements that we repeatedly tell ourselves. They are powerful tools that can shape our belief system. Visualization, on the other hand, is about mentally picturing our success. It's about seeing ourselves reaching our goals, achieving our dreams, and lastly, surrounding ourselves with positive influences. The people we choose to keep in our circle can greatly impact our mindset. Their positivity and success can inspire us, enhancing our belief in our abilities. Doubt, however, is a constant adversary. It's natural to experience doubt, but we must not let it paralyze us. We can overcome it by cultivating a positive mental attitude. Remember, our thoughts shape our reality, so let's choose to think positively. Let's choose to believe in ourselves. Despite the challenges, always keep faith in yourself and your abilities. Did you know that your subconscious mind plays a significant role in shaping your thoughts, beliefs, and actions? Have you ever wondered why certain thoughts or habits seem to persist, despite your best efforts to change them? That's because they are deeply rooted in the subconscious mind, the powerful engine behind our thoughts and actions. The subconscious mind is like a fertile garden. It absorbs what we feed it, whether good or bad, and produces results accordingly. The seeds we plant in this garden are our thoughts, and the harvest we reap is the reality we experience. So how do we ensure we're planting the right seeds? This is where autosuggestion comes in. Autosuggestion is a technique that involves consciously feeding our subconscious mind with thoughts and beliefs that align with our desires and goals. This could be through affirmations, visualizations, or even subliminal messaging. Imagine standing in front of a mirror repeating affirmations like, "I am confident, capable, and successful." Over time, your subconscious mind absorbs these positive statements and begins to accept them as truths. Your beliefs about yourself shift, and with this shift, your actions and reality align more closely with these new beliefs. However, it's not enough just to plant positive seeds. We must also diligently weed out the negative ones. Negative thought patterns, often formed through past experiences or societal conditioning, can limit our potential and hinder our progress. Identifying these limiting beliefs is the first step to overcoming them. Start by observing your thoughts. Do you often catch yourself thinking, "I can't do this," or "I'm not good enough"? These are signs of negative programming. To reprogram your subconscious mind, replace these thoughts with empowering ones such as "I am capable" or "I am worthy." Remember, your subconscious mind doesn't differentiate between reality and imagination. So when you consistently feed it with positive, empowering thoughts, it begins to shape your reality accordingly. But remember, this process requires consistency and patience. Just as a garden doesn't yield fruits overnight, reprogramming your subconscious mind takes time. Keep planting the seeds of positivity, and eventually, you will reap a harvest of success. Your subconscious mind is a powerful tool. Use it wisely to shape your reality. In your journey to success, how important do you think is the role of specialized knowledge? Let's unravel this. Specialized knowledge is like a powerful tool in your arsenal. It's the intricate understanding and mastery of a specific subject, skill, or field. It's not just about knowing something, it's about knowing it deeply, thoroughly, and how to apply it effectively. Imagine yourself as an artist, your success as your masterpiece, and specialized knowledge as your palette of colors. The more shades you have, the more detailed and vibrant your painting can be. Similarly, the more specialized knowledge you have, the better equipped you are to navigate the path to your goals. Now let's talk about continuous learning. In a world that's changing at warp speed, resting on your laurels can be a recipe for stagnation. To stay ahead of the curve, it's crucial to keep learning, evolving, and expanding your knowledge base. It's about being curious, asking questions, seeking answers, and never settling for good enough. So, where can you acquire this specialized knowledge? Formal education and professional development courses are excellent starting points. But also consider self-directed learning, like reading books, attending seminars, tuning into podcasts, or even engaging in enlightening conversations. In conclusion, specialized knowledge is an indispensable part of your journey towards success. It's like a compass guiding you through the maze of challenges and opportunities. Knowledge is power. Always strive to learn more and stay updated. Can you imagine your way to success? Picture this. You're standing at the helm of a ship. This ship is your life, and your imagination is the compass guiding you towards your desired reality. Imagination is more than mere daydreaming. It's a creative force, an architect of your future. It shapes your thoughts, influences your decisions, and ultimately defines your reality. It's the very workshop of the mind where ideas are forged, problems are solved, and dreams are brought to life. Consider the legendary inventor Thomas Edison, a man who harnessed the power of his imagination to transform ideas into groundbreaking inventions. His imagination led him to create the electric light bulb, forever changing the way we live. Or take J.K. Rowling, whose vivid imagination birthed the magical world of Harry Potter. Her creativity not only brought her personal success, but also sparked joy and inspiration in millions of readers around the globe. Imagination is not confined to the realm of artists and inventors. It's a tool for everyone, a resource we all possess in abundance. Whether you're a business person envisioning a revolutionary product, a scientist hypothesizing a groundbreaking theory, or an athlete picturing that winning shot, your imagination is your secret weapon. To unlock its full potential, we must nurture our creativity, challenge our thinking, and dare to dream boldly. So, let your imagination run wild. Let it paint a vivid picture of your success and then set out to make that picture a reality. Your imagination is a goldmine of opportunities. Use it to envision and achieve your success. Have you ever transformed your desires into a concrete plan? This is where the rubber meets the road in the journey to success. Turning a desire into a concrete plan requires focused intent and a commitment to action. It's like drawing a map to your treasure. You begin by defining your desire. What is it that you want to achieve? Be specific. Narrow it down to the last detail. This provides clarity and makes your goals tangible. Next, you set goals. These are your milestones, the stepping stones that will lead you to your ultimate desire. Each goal should be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This makes each goal a clear, tangible target. Now comes the power of planning. Organized planning is like a GPS for your goals. It keeps you focused and on track, preventing you from getting lost in the distractions of life. It provides a roadmap that lays out the steps you need to take, and when you need to take them. This keeps you motivated and committed to your journey. But even the most exciting journey can seem daunting when you're standing at the starting line. That's where breaking down large goals comes in. By dividing your major goal into smaller, more manageable tasks, it becomes less daunting and more achievable. Each small victory propels you forward, building momentum and confidence. Planning is essential for success. It helps turn your desires into achievable goals. So chart your course, set your milestones, and start your journey. Your treasure awaits. Are you relentless in your pursuit of success? Persistence is the quality that helps us keep going, even when the going gets tough. It is the sustained effort necessary to induce faith and convert desire into its monetary equivalent. Think of persistence as the engine of your journey to success. It's what keeps you moving forward, no matter the obstacles or detours you encounter along the way. Persistence is not about being stubborn or refusing to change, it's about staying committed to your goals, adapting as needed, and never giving up. Remember, the road to success is paved with setbacks and failures. They're not roadblocks, but stepping stones, each one a lesson that brings you closer to your goal. So when you face a setback, don't let it stop you. Use it to fuel your persistence. Persistence is the key to unlocking your potential. Keep going, keep growing, and never stop striving for success. Remember, every step forward, no matter how small, is a step closer to your goals. So keep going, keep growing, and never stop striving for success. Your success story is just around the corner. Does indecisiveness often hold you back? In life, the paralysis of indecision can be a formidable foe, creating a barrier between you and your goals. It's a silent form of procrastination, one that can be masked by the illusion of careful deliberation. But the truth is, success favors the bold and the decisive. The ability to make prompt, decisive actions is pivotal in mastering procrastination. So don't allow indecision to anchor you in the sea of stagnation. Decisiveness is the enemy of procrastination. Make a decision and act on it.